Don't buy it. Watch our video till the end so you won't make any mistakes and you'll see exactly which tool is better for you. We'll share our own experience. So let's get started.
After using both ClickUp and Notion for about 6 months in real workflows, managing projects, notes, and content, I can say they're both powerful all-in-one tools, but they're built with completely different philosophies. Starting with ClickUp, this feels like a true work operating system. After months of use, what stood out is how much is built in from day one. You get advanced task management, timelines, Gantt charts, time tracking, automations, and detailed dashboards. It's clearly designed for execution and team productivity. If you're managing projects, deadlines, or a team, everything is already structured and ready to go. But the downside is complexity. It can feel overwhelming at first, and the interface sometimes hides features or feels a bit heavy. It's powerful, but not always simple to navigate. Now Notion. After 6 months, this feels like a flexible workspace builder rather than a strict project manager. What really stands out is how customizable it is. You can build wikis, databases, content systems, CRMs, basically anything. It's amazing for organizing knowledge, notes, and internal documentation. The interface is clean and minimal, which makes it great for focus and personal workflows. But the trade-off is structure. For serious project management, you often have to build your own system from scratch, and it's not as strong out of the box for tasks and reporting. The key thing to pay attention to is this. ClickUp focuses on structured execution and built-in project management, while Notion focuses on flexibility, customization, and knowledge organization. So my conclusion after 6 months is simple. If you need a powerful, ready-to-use system for managing tasks, teams, and deadlines, ClickUp is the better choice. But if you want a flexible, all-in-one workspace where you can build your own systems, manage information, and stay organized your own way, Notion is the more creative and adaptable option overall.